morning.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Ayan. Mahina
Hello,
po kayo.
Papa. Good morning sa akin.
Good morning. Good morning. What's your name?
Kay po.
Kay. Hi, Kay. Good morning sa'yo.
Good morning.
Where are you calling from?
Sa Canada po.
Canada. How do you spell your name, Kay?
Kay lang po.
No, give me a name. I don't like letters.
K-A-Y-E.
Yan. Anong natulong nung yung E? Wala.
Ewan ko nga din eh. Alam mo, natatakot nga akong sabihan mo ng ganyan. Kaya sabi ko, Kay na lang.
Ilan taon na si Kay?
37.
37. Kailan ka pa nasa Canada?
Siguro mga 11 years.
Tagal na.
Tagal na ba yun?
Tagal na. What's the reason bakit napadpad ka ng Canada?
Canada. Papa Jackson, foreign worker ako. Kinuha ako ng fast food chain.
Okay.
Tapos from there, ayun, nabiyayaan.
Okay. Are you married ka na ba in Canada?
Papa Jackson, married, separated na sa husband.
Okay.
Pero parang walang anong tawag doon? Walang formal, walang legal, hindi pa legal. Yeah.
So separated lang kayo by
Separated lang ng
tirahan. Kailan pa?
Yes.
Kailan pa kahiwalay nung napangasawa mo dyan?
Patagal na, Papa Jackson. Parang 6 years ago. 6 years.
Pinoy din o Canadian?
Canadian po siya.
Canadian. Alright.
Yes.
Ilan anak nyo?
Medyo malandi ako, Papa Jackson. Joke lang. I have 2 kids, both different father.
Yung unang anak mo,
siya, Pilipino, Papa Jackson yung daddy niya.
Anak mo yan bago ka nagpunta dyan o andyan na?
Yes po, yeah.
Oh, so mga 14 years old na yan?
Mga 13. Oh, so 10 years lang ako. Yeah.
Tama ba?
Nagmamat agad eh. Tama ka.
Magpo-14 na?
Magpo-14. Yes.
Kasi iniwan mo siya pa, 3 years old siya, di ba?
Yes. Ang galing.
Kasi hindi mo siya iiwanan. I have been doing this for a while now. Hindi mo siya iiwanan ng 2 years old pa lang.
Oo.
So alam ko na it's either 3 or 4 years old yan nung iniwan mo siya.
True. After niya mag-breastfeed.
Galing ka, no?
Oo nga eh. Sabi kong galing. Ang automatic nung mo.
Anyways, so yung unang anak mo nasa Philippines pa rin?
No, Papa Jackson, I got him na.
Nandyan na.
Yes.
Okay.
Siguro mga 4 years na rin siya, 3 years na rin siya here. Tapos my younger one, he's 8. Siya yung daddy niya is yung ex-husband ko. Well, husband.
Okay.
Yun. Nanginginig ako. Bakit kaya? Anyways, ayan, Papa Jackson, I'm in a relationship right now. 3 years na kami.
Teka lang, bago yan. Bakit hindi pa kayo Kasi di ba may divorce naman ng Canada?
Oo nga eh. Actually, Papa Jackson, I keep asking eh. Ang lagi ko lang sinasagot, I hate yung paperwork. Pero nung mga first year namin nung husband ko na syempre ka pa yung visit pa kayo sa isa't isa. So talagang divorce, let's divorce. Ayaw niya.
Okay. Ba't ba kayo naghiwalay, by the way?
Papa Jackson eh, he doesn't like my older kid.
Okay. Well, I support you. Of course, di ba? Good call.
Ayun. Sabi ko, bakit ayaw
mo?
mo?
Ano yan eh? Love me, love my dog yan eh, di ba?
Ayun. Ay, grabe bumalik. Akala ko hindi na ako affected. Pero
may jowa ka na, di ba? May jowa ka na for
3 years, Papa Jackson. Yun nga, parang similar kasi lang issue. Hindi ko masabi kung similar or I don't know. Kaya nga siguro kailangan ko ng isang tao na hindi ako kilala or
Kilala kita. Alam ko nga iniwan mo yung anak mo ng 2 years old na higit.
I know.
Charot lang. So, wait lang. So, 6 years ago, nakipag-iwalay ka dun sa pinakasalan mo?
Yes.
And 3 years ago, may nagkajowa ka, tama?
Yes po.
So, nakilala. Pinoy ba yan? Pinoy?
Pinoy siya, Papa Jackson.
Alam niya na 2 anak mo when he...
Alam naman niya, Papa Jackson.
Ba't mo sinabing similar? Ayaw rin niya sa anak mo?
Sorry, Papa Jackson?
Ba't mo sinabing similar? I mean, ayaw din niya sa anak mo? Is that what you're saying?
Hindi ko alam pero parang may issue. Hindi ko alam kung yun yung issues namin, pero so Papa Jackson, I just wanna start nung paano kami nagkakilala. Nagkakilala kasi kami when I was like, anak, can you fix that one? Papasok sila sa school. Sorry, Papa Jackson.
Okay.
Ayun, nakilala ko siya, Papa Jackson, sa parang I'm at the time of my life na naglalaro ako. Hindi naman ako nagmamalinis. Parang naglalaro ako kasi paano ko ba sasabihin? Kasi two failed relationships na, Papa Jackson.
So, kumbaga, parang okay na to, enjoyin ko na lang buhay, ganun. Kumbaga, naglamierda ka, and habang lumalamierda ka, you met this guy.
Parang ganyan, Papa Jackson.
In your most undesirable phase in life.
So parang okay ako, Papa Jackson. Sobrang okay kasi I have a lot of friends na isang tawag lang nandyan. Plus yung mga kalaro ko pa on the side. Yung mga ganon. So parang hindi ko na na-feel. Tapos kapag kailangan ako ng mga anak ko, present ako. Yung parang ganon. So nandun na ako sa time na yon. Until nakilala ko siya, Papa Jackson. His background is medyo magulo din. Actually, magulo. Hindi medyo. Meron siyang kids. Different moms din. So, parang complicated din. Nakatira siya
Ilan anak niya?
4.
Yung 4 na yan, magkakaiba na yan?
Tig-2, Papa Jackson.
Okay.
Tapos this is the time na bago ko siya makilala, Papa Jackson na. Kasi ngayon parang okay naman. I don't know kung okay ba.
Okay.
So, yung 2 nasa Pilipinas, yung 2 nandito. Tapos yung mommy nung nandito is parang gusto pa rin sila together. She's fighting for it. Kasi understandable kasi doon nakikitira yung lalaki.
Sa bahay nung pangalawang wife?
Yes, sa bahay nung...
Bakit siya doon nakikitira?
Ang lagi lang niyang sinasagot, wala siyang tatakbuhan. So, ganun ko siya nakilala.
So, ibig sabihin, nandun pa rin yung ex niya?
Yes. Nasa isang roof. So, nung nakilala ko siya, Papa Jackson, nakakatuwa nga kasi, parang magkakilala yung family namin back sa Philippines. Kaya ako siya nakilala.
Okay.
Kasi kilala siya ng nanay ko. Na parang, nandito yung anak ni ganyan. Bakit hindi mo i-reach? Ganyan.
Mm-mm.
So, sa akin parang, bakit? Sabi niya, bakit? Hindi ko siya kilala kasi parang matanda siya sa akin. So, hindi, kumbaga dun sa street na yon, hindi naman din kami, magkaiba yung level ng, kasi ako parang 5 years old siya, 15 at that time. So, hindi mo,
10 years ang gap.
Hindi mo kilala. Yes, okay. Legit na hindi mo
so,
kilala yun.
Practically, kumbaga, it was a different generation. Parang ganon.
Oo.
Ako, wait lang. You've met each other. Kasi, I don't know if I'm understanding this right, no? But you've met each other. Game time lang ang lahat eh. Tama ba?
Yes.
Playtime ang lahat. Let's settle at that, no? Playtime ang lahat. Now, nakilala mo siya ng mga time na yon. Nakatira siya sa bahay ng nanay ng last 2 kids niya.
Yes.
They're practically living together.
Yun.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the same room or no longer?
Kasi Papa Jackson, ang alam ko ha, magkaiba.
Of course, no. Hindi sa alam mo. Of course, you asked this, no? Anong sabi sa'yo?
Yes. Ayun na. Yun, magkaiba, pero syempre may nangyayari sa kanila. Kapag kailangan ng katawan. Yung ganun. Kasi, Papa Jackson, when I met him talaga, sobrang blunt din ako.
So, nung time na yon, you didn't mind kasi it was all fun and games sa iyo.
Papa Jackson, hindi kami nagsistart pa. We're talking as friends. Pero alam ko na, syempre, hindi naman ako asyumera siguro, pero lagi kang nasa bahay namin, tapos lahat ng pwede mong gawin sa bahay, gagawin mo. Syempre, alam ko na may gusto siya sa akin. Di ba? O feeling lang ako. yun yung nasa isip ko. Tapos, ito pa, pag tinatanong pa siya, lagi niya sinasabi na, hindi, nakikitira lang ako. Gusto ko na nga umalis eh. May libre ba kayong kwarto dito? Dito na lang ako magre-rent. Parang ganun. So, no judgment sa ganun, Papa Jackson. Kasi, marami na akong naririnig na ganun na magkahiwalay pero nasa isang bubong. Kasi nga, ang hirap ng bahay. Yung parang ganun. I don't know. Wala na siguro akong wala nang delikadesa or ewan ko. Pero parang nasa isip ko, parang okay lang yun. Pero dapat nagkakaintindihan kayo kung anong sitwasyon nyo. Kasi yung ex-husband ko, sinuggest din sa amin yun para makatipid kami. Tsaka nga convenient dun sa bata. Pero nasa isip ko, feeling ko, gusto niya pa ako. Ay, hindi ako umuo. Kasi kung ang dahilan lang natin para tumira sa isang bubong, makatipid, dapat sigurado tayong dalawa na para makatipid lang, hindi dahil umaasa pa tayo na tama ba ako ng words? So yun yung nasa isip ko. Sa kanya, siya lang yung nasa isip niya, nakikitira siya. Yung isa, ang nasa isip, inaayos yung pamilya nila.
Question. During that time,
yeah.
Did you believe yung kanyang paliwanag na
sinasabi?
Yeah.
Yes, Papa Jackson, naniniwala ako kasi yung babae, pag nasa bahay namin, yung lalaki, ako yung mini-message niya.
Oh, okay.
Na nakaalis na ba dyan? Nakaganyan na ba? Sabi niya siguro gusto ka niyan, kaya siya laging nandyan. Ang message ko pa dun sa babae, malisyosa ka naman. Kasi that time, ayoko talaga. Kasi nga naiisip ko, Papa Jackson, yung responsibilities niya, I have to accept everything. Yung bang ganun. So parang sabi ko, sa ganun. Yun yung nasa isip ko, ayoko sa kanya. Yung nanay ko naman, parang, mabait yan, ganyan. That time, Papa Jackson, ang nasa isip ko, nasa akin yung nanay ko. Mahirap din pakisamahan yung nanay ko. Hindi naman sa mahirap, pero, syempre, pag may nangingialam ba, diba, parang ganun. Kasi yung nanay ko, sanay kasi na pinapakailaman ako eh. So baka pag may kasama ako, aywan ko, advance ako mag-isip eh. So parang iniisip ko na kung kaya ko bang ganon. Kasi nararamdaman ko na sobrang extra effort siya. Tapos kapag hindi ko pa ine-entertain ko pa, kapag hindi ko hininto, mabibingwit ako eh. Mapapa-oo ako. Ayun ganon.
Okay. Well, wait lang. That was then. That was 3 years ago.
Oo, napa-oo
3 years later, bakit na magkausap ngayon? What's your issue now?
Papa Jackson, kasi ang gusto ko, dun sa background story na yun, gusto ko lang sabihin na I've laid everything before akong umuo sa relasyon na to. Na parang I played around, ganyan. Tapos ngayon, Papa Jackson, every time na nag-aaway kami, tapos syempre nagkakasakitan ng salita, laging yun yung sinasabi niya na madumi ka, parang ganyan. Bumalik ka sa pagiging ganyan. Na parang lagi kong sinasabi na hindi porket nagganon ako, wala naman akong niloko. Parang ganon, medyo na-justify ko. Sabi ko, wala naman akong niloko, lahat naman kami single, tsaka alam namin yung pinapasok namin, no? Parang ganon. Tapos, Papa Jackson, nahihirapan ako kasi yung mga bata, takot na sa kanya, na parang hindi niya ako naiintindihan. I get na he wants to discipline my kids, pero iba yung dating sa mga anak ko, Papa Jackson, kasi every weekend, magsasite na lang ako ng example. Pag nandito ka, pag ganyan, sa bahay, kasi ako, Papa Jackson, masiyahin ako ang tao. Parang, good morning! Ganyan ako sa umaga. Siya, hindi ka pwedeng dapat tahimik ka lang. Kasi sobrang ingay daw. Ganun yung, so, yung mga anak ko, halimbawa, nag-laptop, maingay, pwede ba bang inaan yung boses mo? I mean, sinabi ko na sa kanya na okay lang naman nasabihan mo, pero sana ay maayos na way. Pero ang sinasabi niya, yung old school daw, hindi naman ganon. Parang ganyan. So, in other words, magkaiba kami ng discipline. Kaya lang, pag weekend na nandito yung mga anak niya, Papa Jackson, dahil nga every weekend lang, pwede silang mag-ingay. So, nakakaramdam ako ng selos para sa mga anak ko. Na parang, bakit ganun?
So, you're living together na?
Oo.
Okay. Kailan pa?
3 years ago din.
Oh, okay.
3 years ago din. Tapos yun. Pero yung mga bata, hindi naman. Every weekend lang.
Okay. What do you want to ask me?
Ayun. Parang kasi, Papa Jackson, alam ko naman na mahal niya ako eh. Kaya lang, parang nako-compromise.
Nako-compromise ang alin?
Parang nako-compromise ba yung way ng paglaki ng mga anak?
I'm trying to figure out what really is your problem. Is it the fact that he brings up yung past mo, or the way that he is trying to be a parent sa mga anak mo? Isa-isahin natin. Alin doon?
Tama. Yung actually, Papa Jackson, yun naman naiisip ko, kaya lang niya sinasabi para saktan ako pag nag-aaway kami.
Okay.
So,
what do you say when he says that?
Papa Jackson, napagod na ako kasi nung second year namin. Kasi nung first year, maayos talaga siya, na ikipagkwentuhan siya sa mga anak ko. Gano'n, nakikipagkwentuhan siya, ganyan.
Mm-hmm.
Pero ngayon, parang hindi. Tapos, laging masama yung tingin niya sa mga anak ko. Tapos, Papa Jackson, I don't wanna discredit din, ha. Inaasikaso naman niya yung mga bata. Pero, kapag sasabihin ko na sabi ko, ikaw, asikasuhin mo lang naman yung anak ko pag nandyan yung mga anak mo. Parang gano'n. Parang, tapos nakikita pa ng ibang tao minsan na parang, halimbawa, attend kami ng party. The way he's looking at my kids. Na parang naiinis ako.
How is that? The way, paano?
Alam mo yung tinitingnan na mula ulo hanggang paa.
Well, that's subjective. You could be wrong sa assumption na yan.
Actually.
Kasi baka mamaya, this is just a built-up suspicion that he doesn't like your kids. So you give bad meanings to everything. Pwedeng ganun lang yun.
Siguro. Kasi kahapon, nag-usap kami, pinasok ko na naman yun. Sinabi ko na ayoko ng ganitong buhay. Sabi ko ganun, ayoko kasi nang may kasamang hindi masaya. Sabi ko ganun, kung hindi ka naman masaya dito, okay lang naman. Sabi ko, hindi ko naman kailangan ng kasama eh. Sabi ko, gusto ko kasama na masaya ako. Kasama kami. Tapos Papa Jackson, parang nawawalan na ako. Alam mo yun, nag-iiba ako. Kasi nagsiselos na rin ako na parang pag may kailangan yung mga anak niya, hindi naman ako ganun.
I have a suspicion. I don't believe you are this soft around him.
Parang.
Tama ba?
Kasi Papa Jackson, alam ko, kailangan kasi may matapang sa amin.
Sino may sabing kailangan yan? No, make me understand. Bakit mo nasabi that it's a need?
Kasi weak na nga siya. Weak pa ako.
No. Being strong is different from being mean. Magkaiba yun.
Weak ba? Weak. Ayoko nang pares kaming mukhang mahina, Papa Jackson.
Okay lang naman. Gusto maging mahina sa adversity sa ibang tao, but to each other? Talaga ba?
Ewan ko. Pero nasabi ko na kasi sa kanya na ganito ako, Papa Jackson, parang walang nangyari. Lagi lang niya sinasabi niya, ayoko daw disiplinahin yung mga anak ko. Papa Jackson, ang nasa isip ko lang kasi.
Wag kang lumayo sa tinatanong. I was just asking, I was trying to inquire. You are not this soft around him. Ganito, Ana. I feel like most of the things na nangyayari pa nag-aaway kayo is to break you apart. That's what he's doing. Tama?
Feeling ko.
Okay, now, as far as I'm concerned, there are only two reasons why a guy would try to break down a girl emotionally. Number one, hindi niya mahal yung babae, or number two, the girl it's not soft enough para sa kanya. So feeling ko na mahal ka niya. Kasi kung concern niya yun, excuse me.
Sorry.
Baka problema mo talaga yan, hindi mo rin makinig. Kasi kung feeling mo naman, alam niya lahat ng past mo na pangit at di kanya iniiwan, it is probably that it hurts him and naaapakan yung pride niya knowing that you were once upon a time the way that you were, let's put it at that, he must probably love you. So what's the other reason kung bakit siya ganyan sa'yo? Maybe you are too strong para sa kanya? I don't know. I'm trying to make sense of this, no?
Siguro, Papa Jackson, sinabi ko naman sa kanya yun. Sabi ko, may kap ako mahal niya.
Ano na? Pakilakas pa, ano yan? Sinabi mo sa kanya na?
Nung simula, sabi ko, mahirap ako mahalin.
So that, oh my God. So that's your excuse para hindi magbago at mag-adjust?
Nag-a-adjust naman ako.
No, you just said what you said is an excuse. So mahirap ako mahalin. So pagtiis ka na lang. Paghirapan mo, ganun?
Hindi naman yun.
So what's meaning nun? Hello? Yeah. Huwag niyo pong isubo yung telepono po. Baka mag-enjoy yan.
Hindi naman yun yung point ko. Yung point ko, Papa Jackson, is um, paano ko ba i-word yun? From the start, I told you na may ganito akong ugali. Kaya lang, yung parang hindi, ano ba?
Wait lang. Don't wait lang, ganito. Let's make a deal kayo. No? Do not try to embellish what you want to say. Just say it. Sinabi mo sa kanya, umpisa pa lang na may ugali kang ganito. What did you mean may ugali kang ganito?
Mahirap kasi akong, kahit ako minsan nahihirapan din ako na...
So kaya nga, kung sinabi mo sa kanya yan, di ba, in the inception of your relationship 3 years ago, mahirap pa kang mahalin na. So hanggang ngayon, excuse mo pa rin yan?
Hindi na yun naman yung excuse ko. Pero ang sinasabi ko, Papa Jackson, na yung bigyan mo ko ng, hindi, ano ba? Ano ba? Shucks, hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko ipapaliwanag kasi Papa Jackson.
No, kaya mo ito ipaliwanag, pero ayaw magmukha masama sa kwento mo. Huwag mo akong tsaringin.
Hindi, Hindi, lagi
Sige.
nga. Actually, lagi niya sinasabi yun, malinis ka kasi lagi na lang ako daw yun. Sabi ko, napapaliwanag ko kasi ng tama, kaya ako nagkaganon. Anyways, shucks, paano ba, Papa Jackson? Na parang,
Come on. Try.
sige.
Do your best.
Sige, sabihin na natin na sobrang strong kasi ako. Gusto niya akong i-break. So, tama bang reason yun? I mean, bakit hindi, is it hard to tell me na yun lang yung kailangan mo? Bakit mo pa ako kailangang saktan? Kasi
No. You're reading this so wrong.
Hindi, nag-aano lang ako, Papa Jackson. Naghahanap ako, nagsasite kasi ako ng example. Kasi hindi nga niya rin yun sinasabi sa akin. Wala, hindi niya sasabihin din yun. Yung, halimbawa may, yung ganon, ang sasabihin lang niya sa akin, dinidisiplina niya. Tapos, syempre,
Wait lang. Okay?
Yes.
We'll go to your kids. We'll go to your kids. That's not what I'm trying to figure out right now. What I'm trying to figure out is what you said kanina. You said, sinabi ka naman po sa kanya, look, ganito, there's no reason that will come out of your mouth if you don't think that. Okay? So you said, sinabi ko naman po sa kanya, umpisa pa lang na mahirap akong mahalin. May ugali ako. I mean, if you are 2-month-old relationship, I would understand that.
Yeah, pero
but you've been together for 3 years. Why do you still carry that reasoning?
Di sana iniintindi niya ako kung saan ako nanggagaling kasi lagi ko namang pinapaliwanag sa kanya kung bakit
wait lang. So your emotion matters kahit pangit ugali mo kasi sinabihan mo siya ng warning. So let's try to apply your logic. Oh, excuse me, ma'am. Let us try to apply your logic to you. So halimbawa, sabihin ko sa'yo, uy, pupukulin kita sa mukha tapos pinukul kita sa mukha. Okay lang ba yun kasi winarningan kita?
Aalis ako.
So hindi, wait lang. Excuse me. So hindi ba kasalanan ko 'yon dahil ba't kita pupukulin sa mukha?
Ang sa akin, Papa Jackson, parang you know what you're expecting.
Oh my God. Really? You just expect No, you are one selfish creature. Really? Really? Oh, only because you told him na may ugali kang pangit, dapat tiisin na lang niya because you gave him the warning sufficient enough time? Talaga ba?
Papa Jackson, hindi lang naman kasi yun yung...
No, we'll go to that. Pero, this is coming from you, ha? Really?
Kasi Papa Jackson, ako yung type of person na kapag sinabi mo yung madadatnanan ko sa isang lugar, hindi ako magrereklamo.
But you've been together for 3 years.
I know, kaya nga hindi ako nagrereklamo kahit anong ugali niya kasi alam ko na.
Hindi, that's not the point. I mean, you are ganito, you are a catalyst of your partner. Pag wala kang babaguhin, it will not make him feel that he is also expected to adjust. At remember, ikaw kausap ko, hindi siya. So there, I have no way of telling him. I have to tell you.
Kaya nga siguro ako ganito kasi nagbago na ako eh. Kasi dati wala akong Papa Jackson eh. Masaya, hindi ako marektamong tao. Never.
Excuse, what you're saying doesn't make sense to me. Anong point na sinasabi mo? What are you saying?
Kasi nga, Papa Jackson, dati maayos kasi nga may 1 taon namin yun. Wala akong reklamo, hindi ko pinapansin yun. Ngayon lang ako nagre-reklamo. Ngayon lang ako nagre-reklamo. Pangatlong taon.
Okay, wait lang.
Kasi hindi ako nagre-reklamo kasi alam ko yung nagkasama yun nung minahal ko siya.
Yeah, but okay. We'll go there. Let's talk about you. Are you just practically telling me now that only because you gave him a warning before na may ugali ka na kailangan niyang tiisin? We're not yet over that. I'm trying to squeeze out some sense from that.
No, Papa Jackson, what I'm telling is, kaya naman ako nagiging masama. Meron akong pinanggagalingan. May pinanggagalingan ako and I'm telling him na kapag may ginawa kang hindi maganda sa akin, uulit-ulitin ko. So do something para mawala yun.
Wait lang. Wag mo akong iyakan because we will not have a conversation here.
Hindi, parang na-frustrate ako. Hindi ko alam pa.
Ulitin na. Look, hindi ako yung jowa mo, ha? Huwag ka ma-process.
Kaya nga.
Hindi tayo mag-LQ, tigilan mo ako, ha? You cannot do to me what you do. You cannot frustrate me just like what you do to him.
Kaya nga.
Okay, may tubig ba dyan?
Meron naman po.
Hala, maligo ka doon. Antayin ka namin.
Nakaligo na.
Sabi mo, pag may ginawa ka masama sa akin, uulit-ulitin ko para, tuloy mo nga.
Para masaktan kita.
Okay. Galing sa'yo to, ha?
Yes, intentionally yun. Alam ko yun. Aware ako dun.
Okay. Okay, now you tell me. Is that solving any problem?
Hindi. Pero, kasi hindi mo...
There you go. There you go. Now, you prefer chaos more than communication. And you're surprised that you have a chaotic relationship? Really? Really now? No. Hindi mahirap to. Naiintindihan ka namin. It's just that you're the only one believing that what you're doing is okay.
Siguro nga po.
You are frustrating.
I know. Ganun nga ako, Papa Jackson. Kapag sinaktan mo ako, I'll make sure 3 times yung sakit. Kasi...
That's you being vindictive. Why do that?
Hindi ko alam.
Tapos nagtataka ka that he's mean to you and you are the same to him. Really?
Kasi Papa Jackson, hindi ako hindi kita sasaktan intentionally hanggang hindi mo ako nasasaktan.
I hope you listen. I hope that you listen to yourself. Really.
I know.
I mean, if any piece of you really believe that this is okay, well, that's sad. Totoo ba? Ito ang remedyo mo? Ganito, ano? You want a partner that is going to treat you good. But at any given time, listen carefully. You want a partner who's going to treat you good. I believe you deserve that. But at any given time, you are ready to lash out on him instead of having communication?
Papa Jackson, sorry. Yung sa akin, okay talaga siya. Yung sa anak ko lang. Sa anak ko lang talaga siya hindi okay. Sa akin, wala akong
No, but no. We'll go there. Huwag kang mag-alala. We'll go there. We'll talk about your kids. Look, ganito sa lahat po naman gusto makakwentuhan ako. I mean, if you want to be right in your own story, so swipe up nyo na lang ako. Huwag nyo kong tawagan. Because you've known me for many years.
Yeah.
I'm hoping and wishing that you did not make this call because you want to be right in your own script.
Hindi naman.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. Kasi sa kaibigan ko, tama ako lagi. Parang hindi nga sila. Oo lang sila.
Okay. Ganito na. You are your partner's biggest influence. I will start there.
I know.
Okay. You are your partner's biggest influence. And if at any point, nag-aaway kayo, and you feel like ikaw yung aggrieved party, ikaw yung biktima. Sabihin natin, ikaw talaga yung nagawa ng mali, siya yung mali, ikaw yung nagawa ng mali. Sabihin na natin, if your go-to reaction is to punish him 3 times instead of having a communication and promising each other, maybe we should not do this, maybe instead of having that, you punish him according to you 3 times. So ikaw lang may kakayahan niya, and then he will come back to you. Maybe twice. And then you come, diba? Magagantihan mo siya another 3 times. It turns to be a vicious cycle. Tapos nagtataka ka, tapos nag-iyak-iyakan ka kung bakit magulo relasyon mo. Diba? Tingnan mo look at this. If I will not probe, kung hindi ako magpo-probe sa kwento na to, lalabas, masakit magsalita yung asawa mo. But from the very beginning, I told you, di ba? He's trying to break you apart because you're too mean to him. Look, Papa Jackson, paano yung lalaki? We are not as emotionally intelligent as you are. You have to lead him on. Hindi lahat na lalaki, parang si Papa Jackson, kayang huminga at umintindi. Trabaho ko lang kasi ito kaya medyo na-train ako. Diba? Pero hindi lahat. We are mostly made of muscles, bones, diba? Fat, minsan may buni kasama. Emotion babayan sa amin. But we are reactive creatures. And if you do that to him, he'll do that to you. He will always utilize whatever means necessary and available to him para saktan ka because you do that to him. I'm not saying tama siya. I'm just saying you are part of the cycle kung bakit magulo kayo. Now, kanina, sabi mo sa akin, there was once upon a time, okay naman kayong dalawa. Tama? Oo. Ibig sabihin, kayong dalawa, you have the potential to be nice to each other. Diba?
Opo, naniniwala naman ako, Papa Jackson. Kaya lang ngayon na.
Lakasan mo, hindi ka naririnig, naniniwala ka na, tapos mahina. Ano yun?
Naniniwala naman po ako dun. Kaya yun lang na parang hindi kami nagkakaintindihan sa mga bata.
Well, I think the kids are collateral damage. I think ewan ko kung tama ako. Wala sa mga bata ang problema. Nadadama yung mga bata. The problem is between the two
Siguro,
of you. The problem is between the two of you. The kids are collateral damage.
ano, actually, nag-trigger lang kasi Papa Jackson na yung panganay ko. May nakita kasi akong message. Parang sabi niya,
Pakilakas po. Dikit mo sa
ano,
labi.
sabi nung anak ko, dun sa message, um, my mom's boyfriend is asking me to be normal, and I don't even know what the meaning of normal. I can't even do anything in this house. So, hindi ko alam
That is a message of your son or daughter?
Son
To who? To who?
sa kaibigan niya.
Well, kids nowadays. I'm not saying they're wrong. I'm just saying they have to be
Yeah.
guided more properly because nowadays, ang mga bata ngayon, they have more influences or sources of influence more than us nung bata tayo. Dati ang influence natin, auntie mo lang, uncle mo lang, aside sa parents mo. Wala nang iba. Di ba? That's it. Ngayon kasi they have a lot. No? They have social media. Ang daming mga, alam mo naman ngayon, ang daming mga wannabes, motivational speaker. Ang daming wannabe ngayon. And it can reach kids. Di ba? Ang dami niyan. So, well, you have to guide your kid properly. Pero ganito, let's try to read on, di ba? Doon sa thought ng anak mo. Sa message na yon. What do you think of it? I want to know your thought. What do you think of it? Nung nabasa mo yan?
Actually, Papa Jackson, that part, siguro ako din yung, hindi siguro ako talaga. Kasi pag nandito kami sa bahay, I'm more concerned sa kanya kaysa sa mga anak ko. Kasi lagi kong iisipin na magsiselo siya kasi yung mga anak niya wala dito. There was a point din kasi na pinagdamot ng nanay yung mga anak niya. So yun yung nangyayari sa akin noon. Ngayon din, hanggang ngayon na parang kapag nandyan siya lang yung aasikasuhin ko. Aasikasuhin ko yung dalawa, kumain. Pero yung makikipagkwentuhan, hindi. Tapos, dati kasi lumalabas kami ng mga bata. So, I'm trying to include my boyfriend kasi yun yung gusto. Yun yung na-idealize ko nung nagkaroon ako ng boyfriend na magkakaroon na ako ng family na yung may partners, yung mga kids ko, ganun. Yun yung na-ideal ko na magiging buhay ko na parang may kasama ako. Pero nawala. Actually, hindi yun nangyari kasi kailangan laging kasama yung mga anak niya. Para hindi siya magsiselos na anak ko lang yung kasama. Tapos, yun.
Let's
Papa
stop
Jackson
right there.
yung
All of those, what you just said, were assumptions of how he feels. Tama ba ako? By observing.
Yun na nga yung sasabihin ko sa'yo na sabi mo, maging soft ako. Naging soft ako sa kanya. Sinabi ko yun na parang nung dumating ka kasi, yun yung na-idealize ko. Pero 3 taon na parang hindi naman nangyari. Tapos minsan hihingin ko sa kanya na nung birthday ko, na kami lang, anak ko lang siya, tsaka yung nanay ko, hindi siya sumama. Kasi bakit daw hindi ko isama yung mga anak niya?
So bakit nga ba hindi?
Papa Jackson, ako lang yung kumikita ngayon. So I have to split the budget for 4 kids.
And you expect him to just say nothing? He excluded his kids? And that should be okay with him?
No, Papa.
So,
Kasi Papa Jack. So, kailangan pala. So, hindi ko kasi akalain na gano'n na...
Wait lang. Wait. Okay?
Mm.
Nahilo ako, te.
Oo. Hindi,
Wait lang.
ko lang naman
Wait lang,
yun.
parang aasmahin yata ako sa'yo. Wala akong asma para magkakaroon pa lang. Talaga ba?
Papa Jackson, to be fair naman, birthday ko yon.
It
And
doesn't-
prior that, pag ang birthday ng mga anak ko, kasama ang mga anak niya.
It does not matter.
Oh, okay. So, dapat laging kasama. Tapos, lagi kong gastos.
Well, sa part na yan,
I have,
okay, wait lang. Wala siyang trabaho ngayon.
yes.
Okay. Bakit
And
wala siyang
every
work
time
ngayon?
that we're going out,
Bakit wala siyang trabaho ngayon?
may problema yung likod niya, Papa Jackson.
Okay. Now, let's go back. Ba't kayo naghiwalay ng pangalawang asawa mo?
Ayaw niya dun sa anak ko.
Oh,
Actually, yun.
now here we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maghihiwalay ulit kami.
No, that's not my point.
Yun din yung nasa isip ko.
Hindi yun ang point ko. My point is, now you don't see the point.
Papa Jackson, hindi ko justify
You are.
Pero sinasabi ko nga sa'yo, lahat ng gala namin dati kasama yung mga anak niya.
Hindi mo dapat bilangin
Ang
kasi
hiningi ko lang.
from the moment that you had him as a partner, whatever he has, di ba? Love me, love my dog, remember?
Ang daya. Ang daya. Kasi kaya ako nagre-reklamo ngayon kasi bakit ako lang kailangan ng ganun? Bakit siya hindi? Ang daya, di ba? Yun yung point, Papa Jackson. Dati hindi ako nagbibilang. Pero dahil nakikita ko na sila lang yung nagbe-benefit sa relasyon na to. Kasi ako lang yung tumatanggap. Bakit siya hindi niya?
Explain that. Hindi ko na-gets yan. Paano?
That's it. Kasi, Papa Jackson, kaya kami okay nung 1 taon. I don't complain. Laging kasama yung mga anak niya.
Mhm.
I start complaining when I start complaining itong certain na pangyayari. Nasa bahay kami. Ang anak ko nagtatagalog. Nung pinagalitan niya yung mga bata, nagtagalog siya. So yung anak ko lang yung pinapagalitan. That's the time that I started counting. Yes, it's my fault. Pero Papa Jackson, paano yun? So kami lang yung mag-a-adjust kasi kami yung nakakaintindi. Kaya ako nag-start magbilang na ako, lagi ko plano, lahat tayo. Pero pag ikaw may pera, kayo lang.
Kailan niya ginawa yun?
That happens parang after 1 year namin.
Tell me about that
Tapos,
incident.
Yun nga, Papa Jackson, every weekend nasa bahay. Tapos ito solusyon niya, Papa Jackson. Hindi ko na lang dadalhin yung mga bata.
No, alin dun yung siya
yung
nag-umpisa?
Papa Jackson. Yun nga, na nasa bahay yung mga bata. Naglalaro, may nangyaring hindi maganda. Tinagalog niya. Sabi ko, bakit ka nagtatagalog? Lahat naman sila may kasalanan. Sabi niya, yung anak mo yun, ganyan. Pero tama ba yun na ipapakita niya na yung anak ko lang yung papagalitan doon? Tapos, after nun, ang solusyon niya, wag nang idalin yung mga bata sa bahay. Yun yung sinolusyon niya. Tapos, so nawalan na nga siya ng work. I don't say anything, Papa Jackson. Pag kulang ang pera niya, sige, partner. Ikaw na nagsabi, partner, sige. Pero, kapag may pera na siya,
bibilan niya ng kung ano-ano yung mga anak niya, which I get it. Pero paano yung mga bills? Wala ba akong bills porket hindi ako humihingi sa'yo? Okay ako? Samantalang ikaw hindi ka humihingi. Tapos lagi mo sasabihin sa akin na hindi ka humihingi. Yes, hindi ka humihingi kasi kusa ako ginagawa. Partner di ba? So, every time, Papa Jackson, tapos, dati, siguro kasi may trabaho pa siya, every time na alis siya dito sa bahay, pupunta siya dun sa ex niya. Dun siya, makikitulog siya. 1 araw, 2 araw. Pag binabalik ko na, tsaka siya babalik. Di okay, ganun ang cycle. Pero ngayon, medyo nagbago na. Kasi sinabi ko sa kanya, gusto mo bang nakikita ng mga anak mo yan na pwede kang umuwi sa 2 bahay? Ngayon, nabago na niya. Kasi Papa Jackson, hindi ako nagkulang. Kinakausap ko siya. Kasi I failed to do that sa past relationship ko. Umaalis lang ako. Pero ngayon, kinakausap ko siya kasi nga alam ko, mahal namin ng isa't isa. Mahihirapan lang kami. Wala akong pride, Papa Jackson. Promise. What yung anong sinasabi mong strong? Ako lagi nagpapabalik sa kanya. Umuwi ka na. Ngayon lang, hindi ko kasi alam kung paano ko ipapaliwanag sa kanya. Kasi napaliwanag ko na ng galit ako. Napaliwanag ko na ganito ako ka-soft. Hindi ko... I want to ask you kung anong words yung pwede kong gamitin. Kasi gusto kong maayos. Gusto ko talagang maayos, Papa Jackson. Kasi alam ko namang mahal namin yung isa't isa. Alam ko yun. Alam ko naman. Kaya... parang ang daya. Ang daya kapag ikaw yung nakakaintindi. Pag ikaw yung nakakaintindi, ang daya. Tapos ayun yung sinabi ko sa iyo na nagbago na ako kasi nagbibilang na ako ngayon. Na hindi ko naman ugali yun eh. Parang tinuruan niya akong magselos, magdamot. I hate myself. Tsaka Papa Jackson, hindi nito masakit din sa akin yun na nasasaktan ko siya. Pag hindi maganda yung sinasabi ko. Akin din yun eh. Ako din yun eh. Bakit kita minamahal? Ganyan ka pala. Alam mo yun. Alam ko yun. Alam kong mali yun. Kaya hindi ko kasi alam paano. Hindi ko na alam paano talaga. Parang lagi ko nga sinasabi, kung mausap ka naman ng ibang tao, baka pag ibang tao yung nagpaliwanag sa'yo, maiintindihan mo. Naman kita pinagdadamutan. Ayun din, Papa Jackson. Tamo, kasi nakabalik na ulit na every weekend yung mga bata. Sabi ko, pag yung mga anak mo pwede mag-ingay, yun na naman solusyon niya. Di wag nang dalhin dito. Parang, seriously, yun yung sasabihin mo sa akin. Wag nang dalhin. I know. Papa Jackson, nandiyan ka pa ba?
Andito pa.
Parang hinayaan mo mag-emota. Pero yun lang. Yun, Papa Jackson.
Hep, hep!
Ray! Sorry na, hindi ko gustong maging tama. Kaya nga ako tumawag sa iyo. Promise, kasi kung gusto ko lang maging tama, yung jowa ko kinausap ko. Hindi, joke lang. I mean, yung hindi ko alam paano ipapaliwanag eh.
Anong tanong mo sa akin?
Yun lang, yun na parang sa ganong klase ng tao, paano ko sasabihin sa kanya na...
So you practically, excuse me, Oda. You don't have to explain your question to me.
No.
So you're practically asking me or telling me, what you're practically telling me now is you want him to bend to what you want to happen instead of looking at it from where he's coming from.
Ang pangit naman, parang bakit ganun? Di naman. Ganun ba? Yung sa kwento ko?
No, sabi mo, paano ko papaliwanag sa kanya? So you're just practically spoon-feed to him what you want him and how you want him to act. Look, ganito ikaw kasi yung kausap ko dito. So everything that I can tell you or tell someone is not to him, it's just to you. If there's anybody at all na pwede kong sabihan to do this and do that, ikaw lang yan. There will be times in our conversation, it would feel like, bakit ako gagawa nun? Ikaw kausap ko. Ikaw tumawag sa akin eh. Do I have a way to tell him things? No, I don't have it. So, you're asking me kung paano papaliwanag sa kanya yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari sa relationship ninyo in according to your own standards.
Ang pangit naman. O sige, anong pwede kong gawin?
No. That's what you asked me. I'm just interpreting what you asked, what you said. Paano ko ipapaliwanag sa kanya yung mga bagay na gusto ko? Sabi mo, di ba? So you don't have any intention of adjusting. You just want him to adjust to you. Ang problema mo lang, paano siya ipapaliwanagan para mag-adjust sa'yo?
I just felt like ang dami ko nang in-adjust.
Ano yan? Kasi ganyan, there's an easy way, there's an easy fix here.
Anong gagawin ko?
Maghiwalay kayo. That's an easy fix here. Period. Maghiwalay kayo. Tapos ang kwento. Go, diba, go on in life, your own way. Bahalaan siya sa buhay niya. But you chose this guy. And you don't like him. You chose him, but you don't like him. Aha?
Ang sakit.
Huwag mo kong dramahan. Ano masakit doon?
Kasi yun din naman na ayun naiisip ko.
Yeah, maghiwalay na kayo.
Kaya nga.
Because not one bit in this conversation that you made me feel that there is a chance for you to adjust. You just said, tapos na ako mag-adjust. Nagawa ko ng lahat. I just want him to adjust. My only problem is how to explain to him kung paano siya mag-a-adjust. That's all that you're asking. Look, you may be right, he may be wrong, he may be right, you may be wrong. But for us, para mag-usap tayo dito na ang intensyon natin ay kung paano lang sabihin sa kanya kung paano siya mag-a-adjust, and that's exactly what you're asking me. Really?
Papa Jackson, anong pwede kong gawin?
Maghiwalay kayo.
Para maintindihan siya. Sige, para maintindihan
Oh, now that's
siya.
what, see? Now that's what you wanna, di ba? Nag-iba na. Ano ba? Interesado ka malaman o dahil pinapagalitan na kita?
No, gusto ko rin pong malaman kasi at this moment, alam ko namang pag pag sinabi kong maghiwalay kami, hahabulin ko pa rin naman siya. So parang joke time lang din naman kung sasabihin ko pagbaba ko ng phone na, sige, maghihiwalay na lang
Okay,
kami,
without me telling you, how do you understand him? I want you to take a deep breath. All right? Because I can help you out, but I want to know the extent of how you try to understand him. Because I know you understand him. Alam ko na naiintindihan mo siya given his circumstances. I know you understand him. You just don't want to. Now, ganito mga kaibigan, sa mga ano dyan, yung mga magmamagaling dyan, na bakit kailangan sa babae lang umintindi? Sino ba kausap ko dito? Siya kausap ko, siya pagkasabihan natin. Obviously, this bothers her more than him. Okay, tell me, how do you understand him?
Papa Jackson, I feel like nababother siya.
Na?
Because feeling ko nababother siya na I'm earning right now. Kasi wala siyang work. Naiintindihan. Feeling mo kasi hindi ko naiintindihan pero nagde-defend, diba? Yun, feeling ko one factor yun na nagsiself-pity siya. Kasi lagi niyang sinasabi na walang nangyayari sa kanya dito sa Canada. Lagi niyang sinasabi yun na parang yung parang hindi siya yung nagsi-step up na sa life. And then ano pa ba? Feeling ko hindi niya kasi direct na sinasabi.
Okay, stop. That is not you trying to understand him. That is you analyzing his circumstances.
Yun na nga kasi Papa Jackson, hindi din naman siya nagsasalita.
Oh, now it's his fault.
No, it's not that. Kasi, how will I know? Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya.
Alam mo, okay, there's a lot of things you can learn only if you observe and keep quiet. Promise. Sige. The easy fix is maghiwalay kayo. You don't like that. Tama?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready to learn?
Yeah.
Okay. A lot of the things you're going to do will feel unfair. Whether that is true or not, I don't care if the goal is to fix something. Later on in life, kung malalampasan nyo itong hump na ito ng buhay ninyo, you will have a lifetime para sumbatan siya. Maybe in a romantic way. But right now, the goal is to align. Tama?
Yeah.
The goal is to make him see things from where you stand while understanding him. Not dictating him. Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Men and women are two different creatures. We are worlds apart. Sabi ng libro, women are from Venus, di ba? And men are from?
Hindi ko alam.
Sino nakakaalam? Women are from Venus and men are from?
Hindi ko talaga alam.
Yun.
Ayokong marunungan.
Women are from Venus and men are from?
Saan?
What planet?
Hindi na papadakot. Ayoko magmarunong-marunungan. Ilan lang.
Ano lang yan? It's a line. No? That
Okay.
overemphasize that magkaiba tayo ng pinanggalingan, even emotionally.
Okay.
Hinuhulaan ng mga tao. Yung kasing linya na yun ay, women are from Venus and men are from Mars. No? We met on Earth. Parang ganun yun.
Okay.
But you know what? Women are from Venus and men are from Kibaan. Alam mo yung Kibaan?
Hindi din.
Men are from Kibaan. Mamaya papaliwanag ko sa inyo. Now, ganito. This is what you're forgetting now. Okay. There are very few components on how men operate. We are very compartmentalized creatures. Hindi kami kagaya ninyo. We don't think so complex like you do. We don't analyze things the way you analyze. Of course, we analyze things, but no, not the way that you do. We are simple creatures, and sometimes that's bad. Sometimes that's good. But if you bombard us with a lot of analyzation, na ganito, ganyan, hindi ka namin naiintindihan. Hindi naman naiintindihan yan. And most of the time, girls, listen carefully. This will benefit you. I'm not defending the guy. I'm making you understand men. Most of the time, if men do not understand emotional attack, we attack back. Wala kami yung, I will sit down and I will understand you. No, we just attack back. We just retaliate. Wala kaming pupunta kami sa friends namin, iiyak kami sa Starbucks. Wala kaming ganon. We have reflexes in our emotions. And when we retaliate, lalaki ang problema. Bakit? You interpret it some other ways again. At pag in-interpret mo, you will complicate things. You will hurt us. Without explaining it to us, you will hurt us. Pag hindi naman naintindihan, what do? We attack back. And I feel like it's what's happening to the two of you. You used to love each other. Tama ka, mali? Until you feel like it's your emotion that's more important because you have more load to carry. And you are right. Tama ka. Mas malaki hirap mo. Kasi pag may asawa ka na, hindi na lang emosyon, may financial na. Tama? So, kasama siya sa frustrations mo. And I understand you. But you cannot make man understand your frustration by being frustrated at him. It doesn't work that way. Plus, ready?
Yeah.
May edad na siya. He does not think like he is 25. No. He is almost 50 years old. Tama, mali?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, he might have failed in a lot of times in his life. He might have succeeded or whatnot. But his bottom line is, he is with you now. Sa'yo niya kukunin yung saya niya. Sa'yo niya kukunin yung kaligayahan niya. Sa'yo niya kukunin yung frustrations niya, yung lungkot niya. Lahat. Sa'yo niya kukunin niya. Wala siyang pagkukunan iba niyan. Sa'yo lang yan. Inspiration, aspirations, everything. Init ng katawan, sa'yo lang yan. Wala siyang pagkukunan iba niyan. Ikaw lang yan. Alright?
Yeah.
Now ask yourself, what are you giving him? Despite the fact that I know that you're frustrating, what are you giving him? Frustrations. What do you get in return? More frustrations. Kanina, alam mo, very telling kasi ang babae. Napaka-transparent nyo emotionally.
Yeah.
Kanina sabi mo, how do you explain it to him? And that's very telling. Because there's the inner monologue that says, ayaw mag-adjust. You want him to understand you. That's bad. That's not okay. Maybe he didn't mean that. Alam mo, tell me if kung magiging tama to, no? Yung mga pagkakataon sa buhay natin that we are doing something wrong and yet we don't realize we're doing something wrong. Kasi para sa atin, tama, it worked for us for a very long time eh. But it's no longer working for the two of you. Okay, let's go down to the nitty-gritty of your problem. Remember I told you men are compartmentalized creatures? Okay. Kakalimutan ko muna yung nararamdaman. Mamaya tayo dyan, ha?
Opo.
Doon muna tayo sa kanya. Okay?
Opo.
I'll explain it to you like a guy would know another guy.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. To him, para sa kanya, he possesses little or next to nothing when it comes to pakinabang. Bakit? He's jobless right now. And when you're jobless, diba, parang wala kang silbi, no? And he will be so sensitive. Mabara mo lang ng kaunti yan, maniwala ka, magwawala yan. Because it's defense mechanism. Because a long time ago, I don't know when, the two of you forgot to say, kamusta ka emotionally? How are you? Are you frustrated? Are there things that you want to do? Maybe I can help you out. What's making you sad? What's making you happy? Alam mo, I miss you. You ask yourself now, when was the last time that you told him you miss him? You know what? I believe that you only communicate after a fight. Nag-uusap na lang kayo pagkatapos ng away. And hindi yan pangungumusta ng emosyon. Pagbabati lang yan. Because, you just tend to appease each other. Let's go to your kids. Ready?
Yeah.
You have not accepted him as a stepfather to your kids. Alam mo yan. Hindi mo patanggap kasi hindi ramdam ng mga anak mo na tatay ang tingin sa kanya. I don't know if it's his fault. I don't know kung nagkulang kayo ng orientation sa mga bata, but you are yet to treat him like a real father to your kids. Kasi kung ang tingin mo sa kanya, tatay ng mga anak mo, at dinisiplina niya yung mga anak mo, pababayaan mo siya. You will trust his father instincts. But no, you come to the defense of your kids, which I understand. Kasi nga hindi mo pa nakikitang tatay sa kanya. In the same manner, hindi ka pa rin nanay ng mga anak niya. Bakit? Nag-birthday ka, hindi sila invited. Mahal yung bawat isa, pero hindi nyo mahal ang mga taong kasama sa buhay ng bawat isa bago kayo nagsama. Masakit yun ha. Nag-birthday ka, hindi mo imbitahin yung mga anak niya.
Papa Jackson, out of the office kasi. Hindi kami kasya sa isang hotel.
I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung paano yan. But when you planned it without considering his kids. Kahit sa mabalik-balik na rin yung part na yan, hindi po pwedeng hindi siya masasaktan. Whether tama ka o mali, that would hurt his feelings.
To be fair naman, pag birthday niya, Papa Jackson, kahit hindi ko kaya, ipapangutang ko para
Well,
kasama yung mga anak
well,
niya.
alam mo, okay, someone has to start. Someone has to start a good tradition. Katulad niyan. Out of the country kung saan man yan.
Hindi man country, joke lang.
Lakasan mo.
Hindi masyadong mahal.
Hindi kita marinig.
Joke lang yung country, hindi
kahit
country.
kahit saan pa yan.
Province lang.
Kahit saan pa yan. My point is, nasaktan siya doon. And you are not acknowledging it. Para sa'yo, hanggang ngayon, tama yung ginawa mo pa rin. There is no room for you to acknowledge that was hurtful to him.
Naintindihan ko naman yun. Pero Papa Jackson, sana nag-offer siya ng pera na siya na lang. Siya na lang magbubuk nung
It was
hotel.
your birthday. It is incumbent for you to invite people you think you would love to be around your day. Alam mo ikaw, masama ugali mo. Totoo. Totoo Maniwala ka sa akin. Hindi mo nakikitang mali ka doon That's very telling.
Siguro nga po masama ugali ko. Or wala lang akong pera. Hindi ko kasi alam kung masama nga yung ugali ko or wala lang akong pera.
No.
Kasi pag may pera ako,
sige. Okay, hindi masama ugali mo. But one thing is sure, you wanna hear it from me?
Yes.
Hindi kasi anak ang tingin mo sa mga anak niya.
Yes, that one, Papa Jackson. Kasi alam mo ba kung bakit? Kapag nandito yung mga anak niya, sinabi ko sa kanya, paghayin mo man lang. Wala. NR. Pero nung dati nung mga una-una, pinagbe-bless niya pa. Nagjo-joke pa ako, ay wag bless, hug. Hinahug ko, di okay. Nawala yun nung hindi na nga pinapupunta dito. But anyway, sige, ako na, baka nga ako yung mali.
No, I'm just, oh my God, when will you stop justifying your actions?
No, siguro, okay.
Okay. Labas tayo ng kaunti. I'm gonna ask you some other questions. Why are you so relentless? Why don't you relax in life? Who are you competing with?
I know. Hindi ko, alam mo yan nga yun.
Why are you so feisty? Why not surrender? Why not tone down? Why not relax in life? Bakit parang laging why is there a need for you to always prove your point? What are you losing? Diba, who are you losing with? Ano meron? But why don't you take life easy? Why are you so relentless? Ano meron?
Ano yan, Papa Jackson? I used to be like that. Pero siguro nga, sabi ko sa'yo, nagsiselos ako Nagsiselos ako kasi nung may incident na magkaaway kami. Tapos umalis sila, nag-mall sila na family sila. Na parang, oh my God, that's what I'm expecting from him. Pero parang hindi naman pala niya kayang ibigay sa akin. Yun, kaya parang naguguluhan ako na parang I don't want to lose him. Pero,
look, ganito according to your story, there are a lot of things that he needs to apologize to you about. Tama?
Yeah.
You know what's the first step of making him realize that maybe at some point he's done something wrong to hurt you? Alam mo kung anong first step?
Ano po?
You make him lower his guard. And by being tough on him, you'll never. Men are naturally defensive.
Okay.
You have... Hindi nyo ba alam ang kwento ng Samson at Delilah? Biblical nga yan eh. You have to make us lower our guards. You have to make us lower our guards. And it will never work without you using your charm.
Oh.
there's no easy fix to this. But I think the two of you will have to start going back to being friends and being cool to each other. The way you used to do, the way you used to before.
Yeah.
Yeah. Diyan kayo nang galing. Cool kayo sa bawat isa eh.
Yeah,
Diba?
nakakamiss nga yun.
Until someone, maybe you, diba, started becoming uptight.
Yeah. Oo, alam mo, Papa Jackson, bago talaga ako eh. Sabi ko nga sa kanya bago na ako, no. Dati masarap ako mahalin eh.
Kanina hindi yan ang statement mo. Ayun, sabi mahirap ka mahalin.
Hindi. Kasi Papa Jackson, bakit niya ni-relationship? Sabi ko nga sa kanya, maglaro lang kami.
Stop saying that.
Anyway.
You sound more and more stupid.
I know. Pero yun nga.
Okay, now I like where this is going. Medyo nag-open up ka na. All right. Now we go on to the things that's hurting you. Naantay mo to, no? Ano naman ako? Hindi kita nakakalimutan, huwag kang mag-alala.
Ready ko.
My point is, I cannot talk to you about the things that's hurting you without you being vulnerable in this conversation. Ready?
Yeah.
Of course. I want you to one day hear from him to apologize to you of all the wrongdoings that he's done. Gusto ko yun para sa'yo. Gusto ko na masabi niya sa'yo, marinig mo from him, that maybe he's not acted like a real leader of the family. Hindi mo siya masandalan. Kasi totoo naman. When you said kanina, ikaw lang naghahanap buhay, I know it meant something else. It meant something like, Papa Jackson, kailan ako magpapahinga? Kaya ako nag-asawa para may masandalan ka sa partner. Tama ko mali?
Actually, lagi ko sinasabi na hindi. Pero in a way, syempre, back of your mind.
Yes, kasi plastic ka kasi madalas. But I'm right. Tama mali? Like, stronger. You know what? Ganito, I want you to feel that. No? Na masasandalan mo siya. One day.
Yeah.
But you have to make him do things for you that he feels good doing it. You cannot be punitive about it.
Okay.
You have to inspire him.
Yeah.
You have to inspire him. Kailangan mo siyang i-inspire to do things for you. He has to feel good about doing things for you.
Paano yun?
Hindi ko alam. I mean, once upon a time, you used your charm to make him do things. Tama mali? Yeah. Ngayon, siga ka na. Don't ask me. Alam mo na yan. You are intelligent. You are too intelligent and you explain your own wrongdoings to yourself. And you believe yourself. Medyo masama yan. Alright?
Okay.
Do you love him?
Oo.
Do you miss him?
Oo, Jackson.
I wanna hear that now.
Oo, sobrang
I wanna hear you now. Tell him. Go ahead.
Hindi ko naman alam sasabihin ko. Alam naman niya yun. Mahal na mahal ko siya. Tsaka, I don't know. Pasensya ka na kung I say things na gusto kong sabihin sa hindi masyadong magandang tone of voice at saka sa mga hindi magandang words. It's just that I feel like it's the way I am. And lumaki kita kasi mag-question yun. I just feel sad every time na may nagtitrigger, and I'm so sorry kung hindi ko mapigilan. No. I'm selfish in a way, maybe, pero sobrang pag nagtitrigger lang ang sakit sa akin. Hindi ko mapaliwanag, pero mahal talaga kita eh. Hindi ko rin alam kung paano natin maayos. Tulungan mo kung ayusin. Kailangan mo maramdaman na gusto mo rin ayusin. Papa niya ako, hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko. Kasi lagi ko naman nasasabi sa kanya eh.
That was good. That was so good. I like that when you said, tulungan mo ako. You're giving him the power to influence you in a way that you want to be changed by him. That could have been what a partner, di ba? A good partner, di ba, can do to you. Let's start there. That is a good line. That is you acknowledging what he can do for you. That is so good. You see, may ganyan ka palang side. Susupot ko ulo mo eh. Ha?
Oh my God. Ay, Diyos ko. Mahal ko yun, Papa.
Well, tell him that. Tell him that every day. Tell him that in the middle of a fight. Tell him that when you're frustrated. Tell him that whenever. Okay?
Okay.
I would love to hear from you soon. Now, may babalikan tayo. Bakit nagpaalam? Kasi ayoko may nakakalimutan ako. Ano?
Okay.
He told you ang dumi-dumi mo every time that you fight because he remembers how he met you. Tama?
Yeah.
Okay, it's either he sees that, he believes that, or he's trying to hurt you. Either or, that's wrong. He's wrong. Now, I think the two of you will have to iron that out. Somewhere along those lines, I want you to tell him, thank you for saving me from the best or from the worst version of myself. Have you told him that?
Hindi.
You think you should? Do you think?
I think.
Yeah.
Alam mo, ngayong minention mo, parang feeling ko gusto niyang acknowledge ko yun.
Yeah. He saved you. As much as you saved him. So, ikaw na mag-start.
Kaya, in fairness, no, oo nga, ang galit mo talaga.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi, feeling ko gusto niya ma-acknowledge ko yun. And, I keep on, dahil nga masama ang ugali ko, I just keep on telling him na, you don't like your life when we met. I like my life when we met.
See, that's not okay.
Oo nga. Ngayon ko lang na-realize.
Somewhere along those lines, at some point, you have to thank him for saving you. Because, as weird as it may sound, he really did.
True.
Okay?
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Thank you for calling.
No, thank you. Salamat.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye po.